Hey everyone, welcome back. Thanks so much for stopping on this video. My name is thebubsbee and I have a retwade mini twist video. So we're gonna get right into it. Okay, this is Princess. I have already cleansed her hair. I cleansed her hair in these twists. All I did was add the shampoo over top. I cleansed her scalp very well. And now I'm going in and moisturizing and restyling her hair. I love to do this when I'm trying to hurry up, do a quick style, do a style I already achieved. This saves a ton of time and I can get this done in under an hour. I'm already getting started and I did use that leave-in conditioner from Treluxe to untie the knot leave-in conditioner. I used some already. After I did shampoo her hair, I applied a little all over. I just squeezed it into the strand, so I don't need to go in with any more. Now I'm taking out a section and you can see this section has lint, but her scalp and her hair is very clean. It's just lint. So I am going to take a fine tooth comb and gently get the lint out. Okay, I'm just taking my time to comb from the ends to the roots and making sure I'm not pulling and tugging. Now I'm going to use some of the Curl Supreme 4-in-1 hydrating cream just because this is very moisturizing. It's a thick, heavy, dense cream and this gives her long-lasting moisture. Okay, this hairstyle can last her for several days and the moisture will last as well. And you can see that her curls are getting very defined because this is packed with nutrient-rich ingredients and ingredients that can fortify the hair strand. And now I'm going to go over top of that with the Reflex Curl Styling Serum. This is another product that's going to lock in that moisture and just soften her hair overall. It's going to add some shine. It's going to give her hair flexibility. Okay, it's going to give it some luster, like I said, and also it's going to give the sections a flexible hold. Okay, you can use this if you want to do a braid out or twist out, even a rod set. This is a great product to use. After I created my first part and I'm making sure that the part is just how I want it, I'm going to break that section in half and then I'm going to braid the section about 1 inch and then I will do a 2-strand twist. Now because I want this protective style to last long, I'm using Treluxe's products because they are very moisturizing. Okay, I also love that these products do not break out my girl's scalp. I use this on my whole family, all my children, and it does not break them out. They don't get any irritation. The Untie the Knot leave-in conditioner can be used as a one-product styler. You can use it as a deep conditioner. You can use it as a leave-in, a rinse out. You can use this in a multitude of different ways. And I love this. I love that I can use this and add layers and this packs the moisture in, okay? For the Curl Supreme, I love this for my twist styles because I get a fluffy, voluminous fro because this gives a supple, soft hold. All right, but it does have some butters and light oils and active botanicals that's going to give you the right amount of slip. You're going to get curl clumpage and moisture, okay, for your curls. I'm not going to forget the Reflex, okay, the Curl Styling Serum. Like I said, you can use this as a setting lotion. It will replace your mousses or your foams. This is the product you will use. And I love that it contains aloe vera juice and it also contains coconut water, grapeseed extract, and it has some keratin amino acids that's going to strengthen the hair by stabilizing the bonds within the hair's cortex. I'm going to continue to add these twaids all over. Like I said, with each row, I'm going to detangle the hair thoroughly, add my product, make sure my part is neat as possible, make smaller sections, braid for about 1 inch, and then I'm going to 2-strand twist. Now, when I get to the front, I'm going to do something a little bit different, so just stay tuned for that. like to restyle and rebraid and just do the same style I did previously on her, just because, like I said, it saves so much time. She has fine hair, fine strands. Her density is not that high, so it's easier for me to actually cleanse her hair in these small, super small twists in section. It saves so much time. Her hair isn't reverting back. I'm not getting any knots and tangles. It's easier to comb out the section. And like I said, it cuts the styling time in half because I don't have to think about it. I'm just doing the existing style over. Now for the front, I did braids. I braided her hair to her scalp first and then I added the twists. Okay, so I'm just going to detangle the section, make sure the part is very neat. If I needed to repart it, I will do so with my fine tooth comb. Then I'm going to braid that section down. I'm going to do a cornrow and then I'm going to 2-strand twist the ends. Make sure you are adding more product if need be. If you need to add more products, just do so. It's better to add more than to not have enough, especially when it comes to a protective style. And I'm going to continue to repeat those same steps in the front. are her results. What do you guys think? I definitely enjoyed doing this because it was a time saver. I love this hairstyle on her. I love adding beads on the end. I have a dedicated video about the beads. If it's not up yet, it will be up soon, so stay tuned for that. But this is just a timeless go-to style for her. I usually do this a couple times a year. All right, I really do like this style on her because she gets length. Her hair is very soft and moisturized due to the products, and is very simple to achieve. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.